Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'm about to do final tests on the second one of Mr. Gallant's QuadraFire brand pellet stove controller. This controller is model 230-0120, serial number 53814. Mr. Gallant sent me two of his pellet stove controllers that are like this for servicing. He had a question about whether they were functioning correctly and he wanted me to check them out. So I received them earlier this week. One of them, specifically this one, was badly damaged in shipping, so I took the time to effect all of the repairs. I made some component changes as well to make them more robust, and I'm now ready to do final tests on them. As you can see, I have this controller connected to my test system. My test system is made up of a few items. I have a thermostat, just like you have on the wall of your home. Of course, there's the control box. I have a green call for heat lamp right here, which is the same as what you have on your stove. I have a temperature simulator that will simulate the temperature of the firebox. I have a faceplate that has an auger motor mounted behind it. The shaft from the auger motor comes out the front, and on it I have an X marks the spot decal, so when the controller is calling for the auger to drive, we'll hear the auger motor spin in the video, and we'll see the X marks the spot decal spin. I also have 4 lamps in the rear that are part of the tester. The one on the left simulates the igniter. The one with the blue decal simulates the combustion fan or the firebox fan. The one with the yellow decal simulates the auger motor. And the one at the far right with the red decal on it simulates the convection or room fan. Just know that for this model of controller, the lamp with the red indicator on it will not come on. In the QuadraFire stoves that use this model controllers, the convection fan is controlled by a thermal switch located in the rear of the stove. So that controls when that fan comes on or off, not the controller itself. So let me go ahead and apply power to the controller, and when I do, we'll see a number of things happen. But first we'll see that the combustion fan will come on. That's the one in blue there, we just saw it come on. And if we were to leave it in this state, that combustion fan would go off automatically in approximately 15 minutes. That's the startup timer inside the box. As a side note, there are 5 timers inside the box. I've checked them all out and they are functioning correctly. I also noted on the top of the box that the green LED at the side of the box will come on at approximately 240 degrees Fahrenheit, and the red LED will come on at approximately 1375 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll see that come to action in a little bit. So let's go ahead and turn on the fire pit temperature simulator, and when I do, it shows that the fire pit is at approximately 73 degrees Fahrenheit. We're not calling for heat, so nothing's changing. If I do make a call for heat, we'll see a number of things happen. First, we see that the call for heat lamp has come on, so that's correct. That's controlled by this controller. We see that the igniter has come on, and we also see that the auger motor has come on. If I were to leave it in this state, the auger motor would spin for approximately 2.5 minutes, and the igniter would stay on for approximately 10 minutes before shutting itself off. Again, that's because of the timers inside the box here. At this point, the only thing I can really do is increase the temperature, and I'm going to increase the temperature to 240 degrees so we can see the green light come on here. So 200, there we go, we see the green light come on. Notice 240, 250 degrees. So that's functioning correctly. If I continue to increase the temperature up to 1375 or so, we'll see the red light kick in, and it will stop some of the, or it will turn off some of the lights in the back. So as I approach it here, we'll see that the igniter lamp will go off. We'll hear the click. There it is, there's the click, there's the red light, and the igniter has gone off. Back and forth, so we can see that that is all functioning correctly. So if I were to leave it in this state, the igniter would remain off because we are at fire temperature. The auger motor would continue spinning, and it would continue feeding pellets into the fire pit. That fire would roar, causing the box to warm up, causing the convection or room fan to come on and blow hot air into the room. That cycle continues until the thermostat stops calling for heat, and then the process will mean that the auger will stop spinning, the fire will dampen a little bit, the room will cool, we'll do another call for heat through the thermostat, and the cycle will begin all over again. So let me go ahead and turn this down, turn this off, And I'll say thank you very much, Mr. Gallant, for sending me your 2 controllers for repairs. I appreciate that very much. In the meantime, if any of you viewers have questions about your own QuadraFire, Breckwell, or USSC pellet stove, or you have a service need for them, please feel free to contact me. You'll find my contact information in the description just below this video. In the meantime, I hope you'll take a few seconds to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.